everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create a budget capsule wardrobe full of versatile and high quality pieces. Create a fall-winter capsule wardrobe for someone with a warm undertone, and I'm going to challenge myself to keep each item under $100. So when it comes to finding high-quality items under $100, the first place that I will usually look is Everlane. Everlane is a high-quality and sustainable brand with transparent pricing, and I've had really good luck finding some high-quality basics there that have lasted in my wardrobe for a long time. One of my favorite items from Everlane is their cashmere crew, and another place to find high-quality cashmere is Quince. They have a $50 cashmere sweater that's actually very high quality and long-lasting. And then I would also recommend shopping secondhand. And as always, I'll leave links to all of the items below so that you can check out all of the other brands that I've featured. Alright, so now we need to think about what items we need to look for this capsule. This is a fall-winter capsule, so I know I need to look for a few different coat and jacket options. At the very least, I'll be keeping my eye out for a wool coat, a trench coat, and a blazer, and probably some cropped jacket options. I also want to find at least 3 bottoms in different fabrics to maximize the versatility of this capsule. I also want to find at least 1 dress that can be worn casually, to work, or to parties. Then I'll round the capsule out by filling it out with tops and shoes. So when you're building your capsule wardrobe, I recommend starting by finding 1 or 2 pieces that you feel really represent your style. For example, I found this yellow trench coat, cream blazer, and leather pants, which really set the vibe and kicked off the color palette for this capsule. I also really wanted to recreate this outfit formula from this photo on my Instagram, so I found these orange strappy sandals, which could be worn on their own or even with socks for a warmer option. Now that I've selected some key pieces and we've set the direction for the style and color palette for this capsule, I need to complete the capsule with some functional items and some basics. It's winter, so we need a few more coats. I found this brown tailored coat. I also added a cropped teddy coat and this black leather jacket. And since brown has become one of the base colors for this capsule, I added a brown cashmere beanie for some added warmth. Now we need to choose some more bottoms. The leather pants we found earlier could be dressed up for work or parties, or even worn casually. So for the other bottoms, I'd like to add 1 that's casual and 1 that's more office appropriate. I found these straight leg jeans and these wide leg trousers from Everlane, which are in a similar color to the blazer that we selected earlier. I also selected this chocolate brown knitted dress, which could be worn on its own or with a blazer to the office. I'll finish out the capsule by selecting a variety of tops, making sure to repeat colors that are already found elsewhere in the capsule. Orange, black, dusty yellow, camel brown, cream, and blue. And finally, I added some boots and sneakers to round out the footwear with some practical options. All in all, this capsule includes 20 items and can create at least 40 outfits. With each item costing under $100, this capsule costs less than $2,000 in total, which is less than $50 per outfit. The final capsule includes 6 tops, including 1 camisole, 2 shirts, 1 turtleneck, 1 sweater, and 1 t-shirt. 3 bottoms, including 1 pair of straight leg jeans, 1 pair of leather pants, and 1 pair of wide leg trousers, 1 knitted dress, 6 outerwear pieces, including 1 trench coat, 1 wool coat, 1 cropped teddy coat, 1 black leather jacket, 1 blazer, and 1 cashmere beanie. And 4 shoes, including 1 pair of sneakers, 1 pair of strappy sandals, and 2 pairs of boots. This capsule is best suited for someone with a warm undertone. It includes angular elements such as the straight leg jeans, tailored blazer, and geometric cuts. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found some ideas that will help you create your own winter capsule wardrobe. Please give this video a like and let me know down in the comments what are your favorite places to shop for quality items under $100. As always, links to all the items that we included in this capsule will be included in the description box down below, as well as links to my Instagram and my blog. And please subscribe to see more personal style and capsule wardrobe videos from me every Wednesday. See you in the next one.